Rylands versus Fletcher. The facts of this case are as follows. Fletcher, the defendant, was the lessee of coal mines, and Rylands, the plaintiff, was the owner of a mill in the adjoining land. Fletcher built a reservoir for the purpose of his mills. Soon after construction, the reservoir broke down. Ryland's coal mines got flooded and caused him considerable loss. He filed a suit claiming damages. The case first went to the Liverpool Assizes, where it was decided for Rylands, then it was appealed to the Court of Exchequer of Pleas, which decided for Fletcher, and then again it was appealed to the Court of Exchequer Chamber, where it was decided for Rylands again. The current case is the appeal to the House of Lords against the decision of the Court of Exchequer Chamber. The main issue discussed in this case is that whether a person causing damage unintentionally to another's property will be liable under the law of torts or not. The question before the court was that whether the defendants are entitled to recover damages from the plaintiffs or not. The judgment was given by a two-judge bench unanimously. The judges were Lord Cairns and Lord Cranworth. The principle used in this case was that the person who for his own purposes brings in his lands and collects and keeps there anything likely to do mischief if it escapes, he must keep it in at his peril, and if he does not do so, he is prima facie answerable to all the damages which is the natural consequence of its escape. In the judgment, Lord Cairns stated that the defense of vis major or act of God is a good defense against this principle, but nothing of that sort exists in this particular case. Lord Cranworth, concurring the decision of Lord Cairns, stated that if the flow of water was a natural process, then there would be no obligation in the part of the plaintiffs. But in this case, a huge amount of water was brought by the plaintiffs for his own purpose, which then flooded the mines of the defendants. Therefore, he will be liable for the loss of the defendants. The appeal was dismissed by the House of Lords, and the decision was given in favor of the defendants.